Welcome to the best picks. The best foam air filter cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of engine maintenance, but it's absolutely crucial for keeping your engine running smoothly. These cleaners are designed to remove dirt, grime, and other contaminants that can clog your foam air filter, which is especially important for off-road vehicles and racing applications. Without proper cleaning, your engine's performance will suffer, and its lifespan will be significantly reduced, so let's dive in and find the perfect cleaner for you. Number 5. PJ15-20 Foam Air Filter Oil, 13 ounce. This product is designed to protect high-performance engines. It helps prevent costly repairs by improving the performance of foam filters. It is a great choice to keep your engine running smoothly. For the best results, always follow the instructions in your vehicle's owner's manual. This ensures that you are using the product correctly and getting the most out of it. Proper application is key to maximizing its effectiveness. The new, super tacky formula effectively removes harmful particles. Sand, grit, and other abrasives are captured before they can damage your engine. This helps to extend the life of your engine. The red dye in the spray makes it easy to see where you've applied it. This ensures complete coverage of the filter. You won't miss any spots, guaranteeing optimal protection. It comes in an aerosol spray for quick and easy application. There is little to no waste, making it a convenient and efficient choice. It is designed for ease of use. What we like. This product boasts a super tacky formula, ensuring superior filtration. The red dye helps you see exactly where you've applied it, guaranteeing complete coverage. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution to protect your engine, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use. Spray on, let it get tacky and reinstall filter. Great product. Helps with the life of the filter and for clean air flow into the engine. This stuff is super sticky tacky, wear gloves, and it was easy to saturate my uni filters with it. Number 4. PJ115-202 Foam Filter Care Kit. This kit includes a specially formulated foam filter cleaner. It dissolves and removes dirt and grime with a simple spray-on, wash-off process. This makes maintaining your filter incredibly easy. The kit also features a high-quality foam filter oil. Its new, super tacky formula traps sand and grit. This protects your engine from harmful particles. The PJ115-202 kit is designed for easy use. It comes with clear instructions. Anyone can easily maintain their foam air filter with this kit. Regular use of this kit can significantly improve engine performance. It ensures the engine receives clean, filtered air. This leads to better overall performance. The cleaner and oil are made from high-quality materials. They are safe for foam filters and won't damage your engine. This ensures the longevity of your filter. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution with both cleaner and oil, making filter maintenance a breeze. Its ease of use and ability to improve engine performance are unmatched. If you value convenience and want to keep your engine running smoothly, you should consider it. What people say. The cleaner works effectively to remove dirt and grime, while the oil provides excellent protection without being overly sticky or messy. The PJ1 cleaner removes the oil so quickly and thoroughly in only one step, where the cheaper brands take 2 to 3 steps to get the same amount of cleaning. The oil spreads easily and has a good color to it, so that you can knead the oil into the filter and you get a nice uniform color that lets you know you have coverage. It doesn't drip off the filter or pool at the bottom either. Number 3. Maxima 70-799202-2 PK Air Filter Combo Kit, 2-pack. Introducing the Maxima Air Filter Combo Kit. This kit is designed to keep your air filters performing at their best. It's a must-have for any serious rider or mechanic. This kit is rated number 1 in independent industry tests. Its industrial-strength cleaners are formulated to remove grease, heavy filter oils, and other contaminants. You can trust it to get the job done. This kit is specifically designed for foam and fabric air filters. It's the perfect solution for maintaining optimal airflow and engine performance. It will help you keep your engine running smoothly. The non-caustic formulation is gentle on your filter but tough on grime. It's easily washed out with water, leaving your filter clean and ready to perform. This makes maintenance a breeze. This product is 52-state VOC compliant, ensuring it meets environmental standards. You can use it with confidence, knowing it's both effective and responsible. It's a win-win. What we like. This product is rated #1 in the industry, proving its effectiveness. Its non-caustic formula is easy to wash out with water. If you prioritize top-tier cleaning performance and environmental responsibility, this is the right choice. What people say. Gets my air intake nice and clean. The oil included does a good job at trapping debris and prevents anything going into the motor with my oiled cone filter. Really works as described. Perfect for your uni filter. Number 2. Uni UFM 400 Foam Filter Oil and Cleaner Kit. Keeping your air filter clean is essential for optimal engine performance. This kit provides everything you need to maintain your filter, ensuring it captures dirt and debris effectively. It's a simple way to extend the life of your engine. Introducing the Uni UFM 400 kit, designed specifically for ATV and dirt bike enthusiasts. This kit includes both the oil and cleaner, formulated to work together for superior filter maintenance. It's a complete solution for your needs. The cleaning process is straightforward, and the oil provides excellent protection. This kit makes it easy to keep your filter in top condition. You'll be amazed at how much better your engine runs. The specialized oil ensures that the filter captures even the finest particles. This helps to prevent engine wear and tear. It's a small investment that makes a big difference. Regular use of this kit will help to prolong the life of your engine. By keeping your filter clean and properly oiled, you're ensuring that your engine receives clean air. It's a smart choice for any rider. What we like. I am sorry, I don't have enough information to promote this product. What people say. Cleans filter very well and lubes up the filter for next use. It did the job as described and I love that it was a set. This is the right stuff. Number 1. KTM 154115X Pre-Oiled Dual Foam Air Filter. This pre-oiled dual foam air filter is designed for superior filtration. It helps to keep your engine clean by trapping dirt and debris. This filter is specifically designed to fit a wide range of KTM models. It ensures a perfect fit for optimal performance. It is compatible with KTM 85SXXC, 125-144SX, 150SXXC, and more. This filter is a versatile choice for many riders. The filter comes pre-oiled, saving you time and effort. You can install it right away and get back to riding. Made with high-quality dual foam, it's built to last. The filter provides reliable protection for your engine. What we like. This filter comes pre-oiled, saving you time and effort. The dual foam construction provides superior filtration. If you like a ready-to-use filter with a wide range of compatibility, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit my 2015 Husqvarna TE250 perfectly. It was dry and dusty and the filter performed very well. Already pre-oiled and it came in a resealable bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.